if I'm not here, if I'm gone, long after I'm gone, my work still continues to impact people, right? When I say my mission is to transform 1 billion lives, how would I reach 1 billion lives, if I have only 2 years? I need to create some substantial work which will still be there when I'm gone. So I think book is one of those work which you leave for generations to come. And this is the right time for you to write your legacy. So the books that you're going to write is going to stay. Your families and your families and your families would look at that. Look, my great grandfather or grandmother has done this phenomenal work. Like can you imagine Think and Grow Rich, the legacy that is leaving, right? Still going on. The family members are still getting money. It still goes on, and the book will never run out. Book will never be beaten by the instant gratification on social media, right? Right now, the post that we are doing is the instant boost, instant gratification. But nothing will have power as much as power the book has, and it will stay there for many years to come.